Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore ways to boost your income, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. Today we've got something special lined up for you, 5 incredible passive income ideas that could potentially help you make $10,000 per month without having to clock in those long hours. So, if you're ready to turn your dreams of financial independence into a reality, stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Idea 1. Creating and selling an online course. It is a powerful way to turn your passion and expertise into a sustainable source of passive income. In today's digital age, the demand for online education is skyrocketing, and you can capitalize on this trend. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Alison, etc. provide a user-friendly environment, enabling you to share your knowledge with a global audience. To get started, identify a niche where you have expertise and a genuine interest. Whether it's digital marketing, language learning, or fitness, there's an audience eager to learn. Leverage multimedia elements like videos, quizzes, and downloadable resources to enhance the learning experience. Next, choose the right platform for hosting and selling your course. Marketing is key to success, so use social media, blogging, and email campaigns to promote your course. As enrollments increase, you'll start earning passive income while providing value to your audience. Idea 2. Dropshipping. Embarking on an automated dropshipping venture opens up a world of e-commerce opportunities for those seeking a low-overhead, hands-off business model. The core concept is simple. Rather than stocking and managing inventory, you act as a middleman between customers and suppliers. When a customer places an order on your online store, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. One of the key advantages of dropshipping is its scalability. You're not constrained by the limitations of physical inventory, allowing you to offer a wide range of products without the financial burden of purchasing and storing them. However, success in dropshipping relies heavily on choosing reliable suppliers. Idea 3. Create a YouTube channel or podcast. Start a YouTube channel or podcast around a niche you're passionate about. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Over time, as your content gains traction and a loyal audience, it can become a significant source of passive income. Remember that the key to successful passive income is often diversification. Having a mix of different income streams can provide stability and reduce risk. It's also essential to stay informed, monitor your investments, and adapt your strategies as needed. Passive income takes time to build, so patience and consistency are crucial for long-term success. Idea 4. Invest in a business as a silent partner. Investing in a business as a silent partner involves providing financial support to a business without taking an active role in its daily operations. This passive investment strategy is often attractive for individuals seeking to benefit from a business's success without committing time or expertise. The process begins with thorough due diligence, assessing the business's financial health, growth potential, and management team. Legal agreements are then structured to define the terms of the partnership, detailing the amount of capital invested, the ownership or profit-sharing arrangement, and other relevant terms. As a silent partner, your role remains hands-off, allowing the business to operate independently, and your returns are tied to the agreed-upon share of profits. Regular updates and clear exit strategies further contribute to a successful and mutually beneficial investment arrangement. While the passive nature of this investment minimizes direct involvement, potential risks should not be overlooked. It's crucial to diversify investments and collaborate with legal and financial professionals to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the business and its industry. Effective communication with the business owners, coupled with periodic financial updates, helps silent partners stay informed about the venture's performance and make informed decisions. Idea 5. Creating an ebook series involves carefully selecting a niche, crafting an overarching narrative, and publishing the first book through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. As you write, focus on maintaining a consistent and engaging writing style, encouraging reader loyalty. Effective marketing, leveraging promotional tools, and periodically offering discounts or free promotions can attract a wider audience. Building a mailing list helps you keep readers informed about new releases and promotions, fostering a dedicated fan base. Consider creating bundles or box sets to boost overall sales and remain adaptable to market trends, expanding into related themes to keep the series fresh and appealing. Over time, as readership grows and additional books are added to the series, the cumulative effect can lead to a significant and sustainable source of passive income. Remember, success in ebook publishing often requires ongoing effort in marketing and maintaining reader engagement, but once the groundwork is laid, the series can become a consistent generator of passive income. There you have it, 5 fantastic passive income ideas that have the potential to bring in $10,000 or more per month. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort up front, but the rewards can be life-changing. Which idea resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more financial tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. As always, thanks for joining me today. Until next time, stay financially savvy and chase those dreams.